Yo me presenté a denunciar, acompañada de mi esposo, y yo me fui allá y me dijo, pues estaba una licenciada allí. Me dijo, ¿sabes qué? No te puedo atender porque yo ya terminé el horario de mi trabajo.
Every year, Amnesty International holds a marathon of signatures to assist the law of silence's victims. This year, we have created an interactive experience that turns your signatures into music notes. Every time you sign on the project site, you release a new note in the sound of Amnesty, a hymn to freedom, specially composed by the famous French-Israeli singer-songwriter Yael Naim. Our challenge was to gather as many signatures as possible during 1 week in order to put pressure on authorities flouting human rights. So we asked Shazam to help us break that law of silence. When the app did not recognize a song, in addition to the classical error message, "No match," "Please excuse us, your music could not be identified," you could also read another message. Valentina Rosendo Cantu could not make herself heard either. At that point, you were asked to break the law of silence. The campaign has widely spread in the media, and people shared it massively on Facebook and Twitter. In less than a week, we collected over 150,000 signatures, which represents a 500% increase compared to last year's results. In the end, we were able to send this hymn, symbolizing our action, to the relevant authorities so that they had no other choice but hearing our voice.